Hello everyone, this is Dr. Somnath from St. Paul's College of Pharmacy, HOD Department of Pharmacology. And today we are going to discuss about the KAPILA scheme. This KAPILA scheme, which is from that Kalam program for the IP literacy and awareness for all higher educational institution, and this is the scheme for the funding support for the patent applications, filing and examinations, and all the applications are open throughout the year. And every year, in the most probably in the month of July, they are opening that particular Kapila scheme. And that Kapila scheme, those who are having the IIC, and those IIC having under this particular scheme, Kapila scheme. And it is most probably in this year the Kapila scheme has opened the registration in the academic year 2024 to 25, and we need to submit the patent details and in that particular portal. And moreover, the funding support for that from the Kapila scheme, that is Kalam program for the IP literacy and awareness. And as I said, that it is from the higher educational institute or higher education institution, that is HEIS. And we need to submit or we need to apply that particular things in that scheme itself, and we have to register it, and that registration process will be opened, and that registration process will be means I mean to say that it is already open in the academic year 2024, as I said earlier. And we need to filing that particular patent, means application of the patent, and we need to pay that examination fees, so that we need to have to have some discussion and literacy about that Kapila scheme. So now let us know about that. What are those design thinking and innovations, and what's the course of it, and how we have to enroll, and who can register of it. Now let us know about that what is Kapila scheme. As all of us we know that Kapila stand for that Kalam program of IP literacy and awareness. It is a scheme that provides the financial assistance to the institutions, and that are the part of the higher educational institution for filing the patent. So it is not only that the innovations is one of the most important part to everyone, and every institutions. And if we are innovative, so we can easily can apply in that particular scheme, that is Copila. And for that reason we need to more focus, or we need to more focus about the literacy, and we need to more focus about our research. We need to more focus about our other examinations and all. Okay. And now let us know about that who are eligible to apply the Kapila scheme. And it is much important whether are you eligible or not. So if you want to say that eligibility criteria, so that eligibility criteria, those institutions are having the IIC, they are only the eligible to apply the Kapila scheme. And all the institution under the higher educations, I mean to say that that is HIS, and they have the patents field from the 15th October 2020 onwards are eligible to apply. So they are only eligible to apply. And one more important things we have to remember, that those who are having the IIC cell and establishing or established IIC cell. Now, let us know that when we need to apply that KAPILA scheme, so that is also important criteria. So, as I said that initially or in the beginning, that KAPILA scheme can every year they are giving us a chance to apply the KAPILA scheme, and all the higher education institutions are now eligible to apply the scheme and can submit their application by the 1st July 2024 in this year. And that is phase 1. I mean to say that in the academic year 2024 to 25. Now let us know about that how to apply, and the applicability of the Kapila scheme, that has the three important phenomena. That is, number one is user registration and login is much important. Without this, it is highly impossible to register. And then the filing of the patent details, we need to upload it. And at last, all of you know that that is the document submission. Okay, and the user registration and login, that registrations can done by, or registration can do in the website of the Kapila website, that is https kapila.mic.gov in or index php, and we need to log in the user ID account that you registered. And the filing of the patent details also be included in this, and create a Kapila committee of our institution or institute, and fill the patent details of the website as such as possible. And then we need to submit the documents. It is most important. Upload the patent applications of the filing, free receipt, examination free receipt, minutes of the meeting or committee meeting, and statement of the expenditure and other supporting things we need to upload. So this is the criteria to uploading the Kapila scheme. So as I said that these are the three important phenomena that we need to be clear and that we need to be fulfilled with user registration, or fresh registration is there, so they should register the fresh registration or new registration. If you are having the login ID and password, so you can directly log in it with the kapila.mic.gov, and filing the, then we need to upload that patent details, all everything, so we need to be uploaded it. And after that, the document submission, it is mandatory for all of us to submit the documents in the application field, like pre-receipt, examination pre-receipt, minutes of meeting, statement of expenditure, whatever expenditure done by us, and other supporting things. Now let us know about the terms and condition for the expert committee formation. So it is important for, as we said, that it is most important that key component and experienced expert committee should be involved in the evaluating the patent applications. Okay, and the higher educational institutions, those who are having the higher means higher educations institutions, they need to ensure the in-house participate submissions for the for the patent application facilities, faculties, and you can say the staff are expected to the institute, and may invite any member of the expert for evaluation based on the number of applications submitted as per their convenience. So this is most important. So that criteria we should follow accordingly, So if we not fulfilling that criteria or that conditions and terms, so it should not be fulfilled. And definitely the expertise should have some honorarium for the expert, and must be borne by the institute from their own resources, but the quality of the activities should not be compromised. So this is this statement are very crucial statement given by the Ministry of Health, Higher Education. So I mean to say that the Government of India. And the minutes of meeting of the expert committee, after that it has means it will be some evaluations are there, and that evaluation report should be maintained at the institute and submit to the MOE of the innovations cells into the OCH. So it is important. And we note that the patent application will not be funded if the application does not create out of the institute as applicant. Okay, so this is the terms and conditions. These all are the terms and conditions, means these all are the terms and conditions for the expert committee formations. So it is necessary to fulfill or to follow as per as such. It is most important that if each and individual I mean to say that whether the faculty or student, whoever going to submit their project, I mean to say that their scheme in the into the Kapila scheme, so what they have to do, they should know the amount is reimbursed by the Kapila scheme. So it is important for. So for that reason, that Government of India, they higher education means for the institution, they are giving some instruction to the higher educational institution, the budget heads, each and individual budget heads, and that is accordingly funded support for the patent application filing. For that reason, we need to pay that 800 rupees or rupees 800. And after that, if we are qualified for that, so we need to go, means they are sending that request for the examinations, so that for that examinations we need to pay that 2000 rupees, means they need to pay the 2000 rupees, and amount for the application 2800 rupees if it is approved. If it is approved, so definitely they have to have pay. So this is the individual amount reimbursed by the Kapila scheme. So first one is funding support for the patent application filing. For that reason, they are paying, or they are going to pay that 800 rupees or rupees 800. Requesting for the examinations for 2000 rupees, and amount per application they need to pay that 2000 for 2800 rupees. And here one more important things we need to have, or need to remember, that each and individual higher educational institution, they up to 40 means maximum applications, they need to maximum applications at the rate 40 for institutions. They need half, means they are eligible to 40 applications. Okay, no, under the higher educational institution, and the total amount they should pay that 1,12,000 rupees. So this is the amount reimbursed by the Kapila scheme, and they need to give some benefits to all of us for individual budget heads to the higher educational institution. And the maximum funding amount of rupees 2800 per applications, and maximum application 40 per institute per year, and maximum funding for the institute in amount per application is 1,12,000, that is at the rate 40 into 2800 per applications. So we need to remember that budget which has means already given, or means in their portal, in the Kapila scheme portal. Okay, And now let us know about that how many total application can submitted by the Kapila scheme or Kapila for the reimbursement. As I said, that maximum number is 40. So suppose ours is St. Paul's College of Pharmacy can eligible for the 40 applications for the as per the scheme, and maximum 40 applications per year. So that is also important, and that is evaluated per year, evaluated at institute level by Kapila committee, can be submitted to the Kapila scheme, and 50% of the total applications amount will be funded on the reimbursement mode after submitting the receipt of the patent application filing fee and examination fee. So this is important. So this is the way, as I said, that the total application can be reimbursement. Total application can be reimbursed by the Kapila scheme or Kapila for the reimbursement committees. Sorry. And this is the site, so you can contact if there is any doubts in your regarding the Kapila scheme. So you can easily gone through that impact lecture at that aict.india means dash India org, and you can call them, or else you need to follow their website, that is kapila.mic.gov.in or index.php. And this is the contact details, means easily you can contact if there is any clarifications or if you want any queries about the Kapila scheme. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I thankful to St. Paul's College of Pharmacy, means ISC St. Paul's College of Pharmacy, both chairman and convener, to giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.